Moving out has taught me that recipes are actually love letters. My mom has been cooking almost every single day. Her cooking is incredible. I'm not saying this because she's my mom, but my friends who have ever tasted her cooking before can confirm this. They bring it up even years later. However, it doesn't hit me until I moved out and started cooking on my own. I miss her cooking and I started to slowly collecting her recipes. So today, I'm documenting and sharing her curry recipe. I'm going to keep it as a legacy and I want to encourage you to do the same with your family recipes. Like Gusto from Ratatouille said, anyone can cook, but these recipes, these love letters, they are worth preserving. I will share the ingredient in the description box below. I like to prep the ingredient ahead before I started cooking so I have more control and flow whenever I'm cooking. With this method, I don't have to worry about needing to cut anything and I won't burn anything when I'm cooking. There are 4 main components to Malaysian curry. Number 1 is the ingredient to blend with curry powder. Number 2, the aromatics to fry. Number 3, ingredients to add into the curry to elevate the flavor. And number 4, the protein itself. So let's get cooking. Use a lot of oil to fry the aromatics because we will need quite a lot of oil to fry the blended ingredients, or else it will be too dry and you will burn the spices. Add the blended ingredients and fry until the oil is separated from the spices. Add the duck and coat the duck with the spices and cook it down a little bit. You will see that the duck will release a little bit of water. Then you add a tamarind juice, water and fried coconut paste. The fried coconut paste is the key ingredient here. It will thicken the curry and give that deep nutty flavor to the curry itself. And then you simmer the curry down. Lastly, you add potatoes and salt and then you continue to simmer until the potatoes are soft. Then it's done! So as you can see, curry are quite easy to cook, but make sure to stir occasionally so you don't burn the curry on the pot surface. Usually I like to salt my cooking earlier so the flavor can get to know each other, mingle around. I salted my cooking when I was frying the blended spices. But you don't have to salt too heavy in the earlier step of the cooking. So you should salt just enough to enhance the flavor, but you can do the final touch at the end of the cooking stage itself. And the good thing about curry is the longer it sits, the better and the stronger the flavor gets. In terms of flavor and taste, this curry gives out a deep, strong curry flavor with a hint of dark aroma. It is very nutty and this curry is super appetizing. You just cannot stop yourself from eating it. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. Remember to collect and try out your family recipes. Keep it dear to your heart and maybe share it to the world to keep the legacy alive. Thank you guys for watching and share this recipe to someone who would appreciate this. And you can watch this video to see I went to Michelin Guide restaurant in KL and try out this amazing beef noodle. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya!